The Nifty Financial Services Index has been added to the F&O segment effective today. Now this index tracks not only the banks but also the financial institutions, housing finance companies along with the insurance companies as well as other financial services organizations. That's the difference that it has with regards to the Nifty Bank as well. Now, like I was telling you, it is going to be included in the F&O segment effective today. Let me just give you some highlights of the index as well. It comprises of 20 stocks and it will be available in the weekly futures and weekly options expiry format. Remember that this is the first time any instrument will be offered by the National Stock Exchange that will have weekly futures as well, with a lot size of 40 points. Now if you track how the stock composition looks like for the index, primarily dominated by the banking stocks. 4 out of the 5 top 5 stocks belong to banks, starting off with HDFC Bank that has a weightage of more than 25%. HDFC Limited has more than 18.5% weightage on the index. ICICI Bank 15% weightage, and you have Kotak Bank which has almost 12% weightage, with Axis Bank comprising the top 5 with over 6% weightage. What this means is that the top 5 stocks contribute more than 75% weightage to the index, and also if you track the top 10 stocks, they contribute more than 90% weightage on the index itself. As far as price performance is concerned for the index, it has been an underperformer in recent times, but over the long term, it has managed to outperform peers like the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank. Let me just run you through the numbers for the 1 year basis. Nifty Financial Services has returned 6% versus Nifty's gain of 16%, as well as Nifty Bank that has traded largely flat in the last 1 year. Over the last 3 years, the Nifty Financial Services has been the best among the three. 47% return versus Nifty's gain of over 34%, as well as the Nifty Bank surge of 25%. In the last 5 years, it's even better because the Nifty Financial Services is up about 134% versus Nifty's gain of 90%, and for the Nifty Bank, it has just about doubled for itself. So definitely, on the outperforming side as far as the long term is concerned. Now, what does this bring to the table in terms of its addition to the F&O segment? It becomes a third index or the third instrument to be available on an index level in the derivative segment. Remember that in the past we used to have the Nifty IT index that was available in the derivative segment. However, it had been discontinued. So we'll have to wait and watch how the market participants react to the Nifty Financial Services Index being added to the derivative segment.